Hello my lovelies and welcome to another crafting video. Oh, excuse me. So just a quick video. I've been really inspired by Rachel at Roxy Creations recently. She's been making loads of journaling spots. So all sorts of different ideas to put some little snippets of papers into your journals that you can then write on or do some journaling on, stick some photos on, that sort of thing. So I thought I'd just put my own little twist on that using some of Rachel's digitals that I've had in my stash for quite a while. So this is the idea that I've been playing with, and I've printed out some of now that I've got some that are from Rachel's website, Rachel's Etsy, and some from Roxy Creations by Sarah, because she's got some lovely documents on there as well. And I've printed them to a page to make these smaller size, like a postcard size. And what I thought was, you know, I am this lover of secret journaling. Well, it's not secret, that sounds really ominous, secret journaling. But I often think that you're quite happy to show people through your journals, but if you've got something private that you've written, you don't want everybody to see, then you want them to not be as easy accessible. So this is what I plan to do with these. And these have got, you write inside these, and then with the little Velcro dots, they are fastened, and then you can put them in a pocket or you can paper clip them in. I love doing my ribbon paper clips, and you can just add them to a journal or anything like that, and you've got a lovely journaling spot. So I thought we'd make a couple just to give you the idea, but there's not rocket science. There's nothing, you know, really taxing about these. These are something that you can make, you know, do a mass making like Tina does at Shabby Dabby Doodah. She does a mass making series every Tuesday, and it's nice to have some supplies in. So I've got a few from Sarah and Rachel's shops, and I just love this. Plenty of space inside. So I have got some of my paper. These are sewn paper. Some of them are like a bit of ruffle. Some are plain with just some fancy sewing on it. But I thought these would be ideal as a closure, just to give a bit of extra interest. So make yourself a load of ruffles. You don't need to do them sewn. You can do them by stapling, or you can glue them. And then these from Amazon, they, you know, you get a pack full, really quite inexpensive, and they are the small Velcro dots. So basically here we put that dot on there, and it's a posing dot on top, male and female counterparts, and then to stick that on really well. And the only thing with these is I printed on the back and they're upside down, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, because you're going to be printing putting your own stuff in it. So this side we can put a permanent, it can be permanent glue. Just happens that for another video I'm making, I have got some double-sided sticky tape. So that's on the back, is your permanent part of your ruffle. When you want to write inside, see, they're so good, these little dots, these Velcro dots. Write and scribble inside, and then close that, and that keeps it private. Now, I mean, you can put a little bit of something on here, and I've got a selection of things from out of Rachel's various That's a nice one. So from her various kits that I have, and so often I go and print some that I haven't used for a while. I think these are from her manuscripts, illuminated manuscripts, I think these one. And doesn't matter, you can use some ripped images out of magazines and do a bit of collage. It's alright using this, but I haven't got my pokey tool to... You need a pokey tool really to make it easier. My nails are rubbish at the minute. There we go. I'm going to stick that on there. Just a bit of extra interest. Just see. Love them. Love these. So I'll just do one more. Which one shall we have? What's this one? Like in the centre. Isn't that lovely? I'm going to put the image on first, I think, on this one. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Okay, I'll put that, decorate it with that. So these can easily be made ahead, you know. If you're having one of those like I do, Easy Makes Mondays, all things you can do to get your stash together if you're new at doing journaling, junk journal making. See, longest bit is getting this sticky tape off, so if I've got my art glitter glue, I'd be done by now. I've got loads of this double-sided though, and I'm going to show you something else, another idea inspired by Rachel with them. So that's that one, and yeah, this is I think that will be nice. Now the thing to remember with these is I'm going to do that a bit like on a slant. The thing to remember is don't go right up to the crease, because then you won't be able to open, your card. So here we go. We'll stick those two together and stick that down, and then again you just glue the back permanently, but as I say, I'm using double-sided. It's stuck, look. It's stuck because it's on fabric. It'd be nice, you could make these with book pages as well if you wanted. Make your ruffles with some... You want something sturdy though, you don't want something that's going to rip, because, you know, you might want to keep opening it to write extra, or open it to read what you've put. Okay. There's your Velcro. There's your secret journaling spot. So, just a quick and easy idea to make some gorgeous journaling spots using some either real vintage book pages or printables of the real, and yeah, we've got some nice secret journaling spots there. So I hope that's given you some new inspiration, and I'll see you again next video. Bye for now.